Hello.
Hey everyone! Welcome to the Little Step Family.
Hello families, welcome to Little Step Family Talk Time. I am Miss Ada.
I am Bobo. I am Maya. I am Timmy.
Hello wonderful families, welcome to Little Step Family Talk Time. Today we're going to become word detectives. We're going to read words we see in the kitchen every day. When we learn to read everyday words, reading becomes easier and more fun. Let's look at some kitchen words. Spoon, cup, milk, plate, bowl. Can you say them with me?
Spoon, cup, milk, plate, bowl. Spoon, cup, milk, plate, bowl.
Excellent readers. Let's see what happens when we need help reading a kitchen word.
Miss Ada asked us to put the milk on the table. I'm not sure which one says milk. Maybe it's this one? I don't know. The labels all look different.
What's the problem?
I want to help, but I can't read the word.
That's okay. Good readers practice one word at a time. Let's learn together. Let's read this word after me. M-I-L-K. Milk.
M-I-L-K. Milk. M-I-L-K. Milk.
The label says C-U-P cup.
C-U-P cup.
Excellent. Let's read one more. Spoon.
S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon.
Good readers always look carefully and say the word slowly. Now it's your turn, Maya. Can you find the word cup?
I can see it. Cup.
Wonderful reading. Now, Timmy, can you find milk?
M-I-L-K. Milk.
Timmy, can you find spoon?
S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. You did it! I'm getting better.
Let's see what we've learned. What word is this?
Cup.
What word is this?
Milk.
Fantastic. Reading helps us follow directions, learn new things, help at home, become confident readers.
I can read kitchen words. Me too.
We continue with our reading adventure in the kitchen. Did you know that words are all around us? When we learn to read kitchen words, we become stronger readers every day. Today we will learn 3 special words: cheese, butter, sugar. Let's say them together.
Cheese, butter, sugar. Cheese, butter, sugar.
Fantastic readers. Can you help me find the sugar container?
I see lots of labels. Me too. But I don't know which one says sugar. Maybe it's this one? I'm not sure.
What's the problem?
We want to help, but we can't read the word yet.
That's okay. Learning to read takes practice. Let's learn these kitchen words together. Let's read this word slowly. C-H-E-E-S-E. Cheese.
I can read cheese.
Amazing. Good readers look carefully at the letters and say the words slowly.
I can read butter and sugar.
Fantastic. Reading helps us follow directions, help in the kitchen, learn new words, become confident readers. That's wonderful. Thank you for joining Little Step Family Talk Time. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
M-I-L-K. Reading's a blast. Pick up a cup, take a little sip. C-U-P, let your fingertip point to the letters. 1, 2, 3, you're reading words so easily. Let's read the kitchen words today. Reading's fun, what do you say? From the fridge and the table too. Let's read the words with me and you. Spoon, milk, cup. We're reading words, don't ever stop. Yeah! Look around and what do you see? In the kitchen with you and me. Open your eyes and look real close. The things we use the very most. Let's read the kitchen words today.